Good morning to all of you. Sorry for my bad throat. Voice is choked up. It will be okay today, but okay, we'll take this conversation today. Uh, First of all, thank you all of you for coming early in the morning and starting the session at the time. Secondly, to all my fellow panelists, welcome to all of you. I think this is the first initial round of discussion. I think we need to put a lot of thought process into it. Uh, the topic itself is very interesting and very pertinent into current volatility, what is happening across in the industry. Resilient by design, resilience. I think every day in our life of in supply chain, we are living a decade today. The meaning of it, like every day is challenge for us. We're talking a lot on processes, technology, people. I think that are the pillar of the all resiliency moving across industry verticals. I think chemical sector is nothing left about it. Uh, so to build a resilient supply chain, there it needs a lot of regulatory thing which moves across in the industry. I think we have gone back from just in time kind of things to just in case where things are off the shelf. I think everything is moving around so fast and chemical sector also is nothing left about it. Uh, the technological changes which is happening is very prominent. Every day we are seeing a talk of AI is happening across the board in every sector, whether it is service sector or from the manufacturing type. We are talking a lot on the IoT devices. We're talking about how we can integrate our whole system, uh, of the legacy system, what I call, because SAP has become a legacy system for all of us. 25 years, we're using all the ERPs, whether it is SAP or Oracle or Microsoft Dynamics. I think world is changing fast enough to have power-packed analytical supply chain. What is the need of the hour? I think that is where we are currently in. So to move forward for this discussion, I will just request my fellow panelists just to introduce themselves first, and then we'll go to a deeper discussion on the topic. Thank you.